Alrighty, so this is a quick video on how you can add a blog to your website. I've already created you a template on your website, so it's going to be fairly easy. This will be a quick video, just pause it whenever you need and come back to it whenever you need to. Now, I'm on the back end of my website. There are two different ways to go into your blog. The first one is by this button here, hovering over the new, and you'll see there, new post. That post means blog. And the other way is to hover over post here, and you can see your all your posts, your new posts here. So I'm going to click on new post, and then I'm going to put my title in there, and then I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. Two things that you have to do. First is set your featured image. So that's just the image that's going to come up when you share it on Facebook or up on your blog homepage. I just want a writing. Maybe that one. I've already put in lots of images for me. The second thing you must do is make sure that you've got your images labeled. So just put two, maybe 4 words here. I'm only going to put 2. I could put business, building, growth. And this is what's going to be picked up by the search engines. And then in the website title, I can just put some words that are relevant to my business. So I'm going to set that featured image. The next thing I'm going to do is categorize my blog. So this is building your business for me. You'll have some categories down here. And then, yep, that's it. So now we're going to actually go and build our blog, and we do that in the Divi Builder. So you click on Build with the Divi Builder. And then we're going to choose a pre-made layout because I've already created the layouts for you, and they are going to be in your saved layouts. Here I have blog template. I may have to build on the click it again because we want to build this on the front end. And then this is my template here. So it's already got my title. What I'm going to do now is put some text in here. I'm going to hover over it and click on the black buttons on the settings. And then I'm going to go over to my blog and use this as a heading. Now, this is really important. When you're copying and pasting from a different document that's outside of your website, you need to paste it into the text box. So I'm going to get rid of all of that text, and then I'm going to write that in. Actually, I will just write in a whole bunch. Text. There you go. And then once you've pasted it in there, you want to flick over to the visual side, and this is where you can change and edit your text. So I've already got a big heading up here, but I do want to make this bit a little bit bolder. There are a couple of ways I can do that. I can hover over it and just click bold. Or if you want to make it a little bit bigger, you have these options here. So heading 1 is obviously very big, and heading 6 is very small, but it's bolder than your text. So I'm going to go with about a heading 4, maybe a heading 3. No, I'll stick with a 4. You just have to make sure that your paragraph text is got a return space in between. So if I go back, look, it's going to join up with that and become part of the heading. And then if I put a return in, it stays the heading. So you have to make sure that text is on paragraph. Okay, moving on, I'm going to save that, press the green button down there. And then I want to change this image, so I'm going to hover over that. Black box is going to come up with a settings button, change image. Click on the settings there. And then I want to have more writing, probably this one. And but in words for you, so I'm going to put build your business. This is for the search engines to find. And then I'm just going to save that. And then I'm going to put some more text into the bottom. So again, copy it. And then click on text, get rid of all of that text, and paste your text in there. Now you'll notice here that they haven't moved the bullet points from my document. I've got bullet points and they haven't moved them on. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So there are a couple of ways around it. It's a little bit fiddly, but first I want to make sure that it's on a different line to that, and then I can press bullet there and go back and enter them. Or the other option, oh, I think it was up here. The other option is you can put in characters to make it a little bit special. A character that might just give it a little bit more personality. I'm just going to have bullets though, but I'm just showing you what you can do. So I'll click on the bullets, and then you would just need to delete and set up new lines like you would with any Word document. Perfect. So that is how I've entered my blog. Remember, you can get rid of these elements if you want, so I can actually just delete that if I don't want to have an image on there and just have a very simple blog. When it comes to saving your blog, you press these 3 purple dots down here and save draft, or you can publish straight away. I just want to put in that image, so I'm going to undo and then publish. And that's it done. So if I come out of the visual builder, then I can just see my website. I can go to blog and I should be able to see it. Perfect, there it is. Click on that and there you have my blog. Alright, that's how you build a blog. Bye.